Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Dodge Charger headlights. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the battery is disconnected to prevent any electrical issues. Next, open the hood and carefully locate all the visible mounting points that secure the headlight assembly. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. To access the hidden headlight bolts, you'll need to partially remove the front bumper cover. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws that secure the top and side sections of the bumper. Gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender, creating enough space to reach the bolts behind the headlight. Remember, you don't need to fully detach the bumper, just create sufficient clearance. With the bumper partially moved, you can now unscrew the main bolts that secure the headlight assembly to the vehicle frame. Once these bolts are removed, carefully reach behind the headlight unit and disconnect all electrical connectors. These usually have a tab you press to release. Finally, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its housing. Avoid twisting or forcing it. Before installing your new headlight, always inspect it thoroughly for any damage or defects. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps you just followed, ensuring all bolts are tightened and electrical connectors are securely reattached. Double-check that the bumper cover is properly aligned and all clips and screws are back in place. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks. Go Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.